What's up, guys? We're here in Elite. We are doing the 250 member giveaway. I appreciate everybody who joined. We're gonna go live here. We are live at 11:39 a.m. here in Denver. 11:39. We got the list here. We got Mr. Mike Emery on top and John McCarron on the bottom. Guys, we're gonna go 3 times, and I'll do timestamps. Might as well. We'll make it official. Why not? 1. William on top after 1. 2. Josh on top after 2. Copy this. Drop that right here. Delete. And that was in at, where'd it go? 11:40. 11:40. Guys, third and final time. Good luck. Wow. Josh stays on top. Josh Nadon. Or Nadon. Naden. Josh Nadon. Nadon or Naden? I'm going to guess one of those two. Do the last timestamp here. Congrats, buddy. $11.40 and just turned 11:41. Guys, congrats. I'll be announcing the next giveaway here very shortly. Enjoy your day.